Hi my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Toya here. Today's video is going to be a hair tutorial and it's by Shad's Highly Blessed Bonita on Facebook, my lovely natural beauty friend. So she wanted me to do a tutorial of a bun with hair extensions or using bulk hair. So that is exactly what I did, and this is the bun. Now, the hair that she told me that she had, I know it's like a different texture from this, but I use this texture for two reasons. One, to show you guys that you can totally achieve a natural looking bun using hair extensions, and two, because I have this in my possession right now. So it was very easy, very quick, and one thing about this bun that makes it like super awesome is the fact that you can wear it to work, you can wear it to school. It's not too much, it's very simple, and it's a perfect protective hairstyle. So the hair that I'm using today for this tutorial is Afro Kinky Bulk, and it's just a nice kind of curly, kinky kind of texture. And this is what it looks like. So this hair has been used before, so this is basically recycled hair, if you ask me. But yeah, this is what the hair looks like up close. Like my Facebook fan page and follow me on Twitter at Naturally Miss Toya. All my links are Naturally Miss Toya, and they will be in the description bar below. So thanks guys so much for watching. You guys are awesome and I love you. Bye.
Yeah, we get that boom joy Sterling. Chano star. Every day me get high, soaring to the sky. Every day me get it high, every day me get it high. I'm so high. Every day we get it high. Till the world that come on me high. Every day we get it high, every day we get it high. We're so high. Send me a boy, we love me sensey. Every day me go for plenty. With that way small and a senti, so me brain I'm never empty. It's evident the marijuana influence me. Say fi shoot to the star, it make me higher than the planes be. I true pain me name, I'm a want me name fi stain. Everybody's ears like how the marijuana stain me brain. Me I go smoke to fame when you see me smoking flames. So insane, I'ma smoke the game. Every day me get high, soaring to the sky. Every day me get it high, every day me get it high. I'm so high. Every day we get it high. Till the world that come on me high. Every day we get it high, every day we get it high. We're so high.
You know the way you smoke the weed, you know you got it like that. The way you puff the weed, I mean you know you really attract. The weed smoking, vibes right, I might come fast. So just turn up the treble, but the bass and me said that. So make an extra one for me, I make my puff it up. The fabulous no play with it, say me I rough it up. You want me talk, baby, me love it when you smoke the weed. I make we get some thing going, we are burn it up, yo.
Every day me get high, soaring to the sky. Every day me get it high, every day me get it high. I'm so high. Every day we get it high. Till the world that come on me high. Every day we get it high, every day we get it high. We're so high.
Don't say you make me done this, like how a showman done this. Me get so high, me look beside me, bloody sun this. Me see the clouds, I laugh to how me blood sick. Me tell the atmosphere, give you oxygen, cause smoke me full me lungs with. But wait, mama calm down, me feel like me palm numb. A general a walk come, do make him a awesome. Tell him to bring the grub city, call me your majesty, cause me want redefine graffiti.
Every day me get high, soaring to the sky. Every day me get it high, every day me get it high. I'm so high. Every day we get it high. Till the world that come on me high. Every day we get it high, every day we get it high. We're so high.
Yesterday I was a virgin to weed, but it now me can't stop searching for weed. Me eyes bursting for bleed. The herbs will me need, dispersing the seeds till the seed becomes a weed tree. Bearing the kiki, buff it in a 3D, higher than the satellite's TV. All when Babylon a pre me, buff it till me head a earth, red alert.
Every day